Okay. Are we live again? Yeah, we are. Oh, my camera's all messed up. Well, I don't know. I have no idea. No idea why it crashed. Maybe that's what we do instead of starting this project. Dang it, I am so depressed right now. I guess I could just go back to Windows. Wow, this is really, wait, what? This is the reset transform? There's no way. That guy, it didn't look ridiculous when I did it in OBS, but I have YouTube open and I saw just like my floating head just dance across my, just like float across the monitor. It just looks, I don't know, there's something about like just seeing it live that just makes it look a little more ridiculous than it actually is. Let's see, where am I? Where do I want to be? I want to fuck that in a little bit. Maybe, I don't fucking know. I don't know where this was. I'm pretty sure it's broken. But it's fine. Okay, so let's try to go on. I should probably, I don't even know where to start. Do we do that today? I lost my only viewer, so I'm basically just streaming for myself, so I don't know, maybe do I cat that? Messages. Okay. Reboot recommendation trigger. Endeavor, I'm using Endeavor by the way. Maybe I shouldn't do this on stream now that I think about it. I don't want to expose. Display list of last reboot entries. Yeah. Who or what halted my system? That's probably what I want, but let's see. Last reboot. I don't know what less does. Oh. Oh. Crash. It definitely did have a crash. That was yesterday, right? Okay, well that's incorrect. What about this? Cause a system crash. That's what I want. Wait. Hold on. Was that what this guy did? Web archive? No. Oh, var log. Oh, that's where it was. Log. Did correctly join the channel. Oh, cool. Thanks for correctly joining the channel. Yeah, it crashed. But yeah, thanks for fixing that. Fixing that. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If you have crash kernel, be able to examine. Oh, okay. Is there? Oops. log, syslog. Yeah, I don't have any of that shit. Audit. Right, yeah, that's fine. Old. Okay. Private. Yep. Okay. What is WTMP? A reboot? Yeah, there was a reboot. Yeah, we had a shutdown. Explore, zero log, old. Oh, I wanted to cat that. My bad. Maybe I should just old. Is this? Login name, PID. Is it increasing? Yeah. Module VESA module does not exist. Okay. What was using Xorg? This might not even be the problem. Spinning clients for VT switch. Model D triggered. Why is Xorg? Oh. Well, I have no idea what I'm doing. And it shows. I don't even know. QLS. Dev install. Might be Wayland, because that's like, other than me having a new computer, that's a difference between, it's a difference in software. I also use Awesome WM, but I wanted to try out Wayland. Maybe I should go back to Xorg or X11, either with Plasma or with Awesome or something. See if everything's a little more stable. Oh, well, that's fine. If it crashes again, I'm probably just not going to stream, and I'm going to fix that, and then I might stream tomorrow on Windows. So yeah, if I crash again and the stream ends, that's why. But yeah, let's go back to what we were doing. I am like so defeated right now. Here. Okay, so we have this endless RPG. It doesn't do anything. I'm not going to run it because that might have been part of the problem. That's another thing too, is I built Raylib. Maybe I shouldn't have built Raylib. I built Raylib because I wanted it to use Wayland. All right, so the original idea that I had, yeah, like I was saying, is inspired by Endless Runners, and I wanted it to kind of be an RPG 1v1 based, for now 1v1 based RPG that's just endless, and like it could be like every 5 or so levels you get a rest at an inn, and you like fill up all of your HP or some of your HP, or or something like that. You get better resources. Maybe you can choose between like a buff, HP, or mana or something. I don't know. So we have options there that can be interesting. That might be an interesting decision to make. And then the other one is that I wanted there more like strategy in game. So I do have an idea. I'm not going to reveal it right now. I kind of want to tease it for a little bit, but there is a mechanic that I want to introduce that I think will give, that I hope is pretty unique and will be good and will kind of give what am I trying to say here? It'll make the combat feel more engaging and expand the decision space of the combat instead of just like war of attrition, like I'm going to attack you. It's gonna make it a little more deep where like, oh, I need to like kind of react to certain things and situations or prevent certain situations from happening. And I mentioned that it was 1v1. That's what we're going to do today. Well, probably not today since I got on a tangent with things and I crashed and I have a whole slew of other issues. But I think, what am I saying? I think we're going to work towards just getting basic turn-based combat going, and then we're going to get endless combat where we just fight probably the same enemy over and over again. Maybe we increase their stats a little bit, but it's just super basic. Let's get probably just text-based stuff working first. And then as we build onto it, I think that the endless RPG like notion of it might be pretty boring. There's not a lot of decision because you're just always fighting the next new dude and the bigger boss, the bigger enemy or whatever. We'll have bosses too with unique mechanics and stuff like that. But I feel like that might be boring. So after I get a general like endless RPG structure going, then I'm going to maybe make a map similar to Slay the Spire, where you have one level or one map and you kind of have branching things, and you can either choose to do combat or do like a random thing, and that random thing might be good, might be bad, might give you money, might take money away from you, might just be a surprise battle that you were like, oh, I'll chance the 50-50 of this being a battle or some crazy outcome, or maybe yeah, maybe there'll be like ends as well where you can like rest a little bit, and then eventually it'll like, so we'll have different like node types, very, very exactly the same like Slay the Spire, and then at the end of it just coalesces to a boss node, and once you defeat that boss, then you go on to the next map, and you just do the whole thing over again, and then winning is defeating the finite thing of maps, and then I'm undecided if it's going to be always 1v1 or if it's going to be one versus many, or if you're going to have a party or not. But I do kind of want like roguelite persistence to it. I guess that's not really like rogue, but like I want that, like those genres kind of have persistence to it, where like in Slay the Spire you get I think better cards, and you can start with a better deck after you've unlocked so much content with that one player. I don't know if I'm going to do something exactly like that, but I do want like some persistent progression, so you're not always starting at like 0, or I think I want that, but we'll see how it is. I've kind of have an idea of what the game is and what I want, but I kind of don't want to be too rigid with it right now, because some of the mechanics might just suck. The game just might suck. So I know I've kind of wasted a lot of time in the beginning talking about my Linux experiences, and then jinxing myself and then having a crash. I'm gonna get some water and stand up for a few minutes, and then I will come back and yeah, we can start programming some basic RPG mechanics. So BRB. Oh, I didn't mute. I guess you guys will just hear me clomp around. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I restarted. Maybe I didn't, because I uninstalled the Pro GPU, or the AMD Pro graphics drivers this morning. I'm pretty sure I rebooted while I made dinner, or made breakfast. Morning dinner. Yeah, I don't know why I'm crashing. I'm gonna have to debug that later. That's gonna annoy me. I might. All right. So the biggest thing with turn-based combat is that it's turn-based, and that is not how you render things. So we need like a simulation loop that kind of just waits for an event, which kind of sucks, kind of weird. Sounds like you want like event-driven functionality. We don't really have to do all of that. So let's see let's just make a little data. We'll make a little data struct type def struct. What is this gonna be? What are we gonna call this? RPG person combatant entity character. All of those could be fine, probably. Character? Yeah, it'll be a character sheet. Then we're gonna have, what is it? Int health. Then we can have like int attack and then int defense. How do you spell defense? I think there's two ways. I think is S Is S the way that America spells it? And I think C is Britain. Yeah, if I'd spell it with defense. Give you British spelling of defense. Yeah, okay. Well, we're American, so. Oh, do I have Cling D? I'm pretty sure I have Cling D. Cling D. Yeah, okay. Cling D's nuts. Then does this build? It do be building. Oh, maybe it's fucky main. Alrighty, let's okay. Then and D. Okay, cool. Well, that compiles and runs. Oh, so with the text, maybe we can just make. We're gonna keep that because I want that, and then so here I think we're gonna make just a player. Whoops, RPG character. Man, I shouldn't have done Rust because I think Rust is the other way, right? Where you type in the variable name and then you do colon and then you do type, and also does type inference. You also want the let and the const and the mut. I know it's mute, but like there's no E, so it's mut. You shouldn't have been so terse if you want people to pronounce things correctly. Oh, let's do 50, I don't know, 8 and 8. And, whoops. Erpiga character. Enemy. I don't know, do like 10 and like 3 and like 2. So that's drawing. So let's draw some text in the lower left corner of the screen. It'll be very Pokemon-esque. Actually, I think the health. I think that's where the characters. Oh hey, whoa. Hold on. She's up really early. I didn't think she would be up for another hour. Might have to hop onto a call. What is there's a way to do like a, I thought they had. Ooh. We measure text, right? Let's monitor stuff, timing stuff, frame control, random, tills, custom callback, file management, compression, that's cool, automation event. Oh good, she's doing good. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. This is an art text. Shoot. Sorry, significant other is texting me. Okay, so we need this. Oh, I might need a call. Yeah, I might need to go and talk for a little bit. Might not be the time to stream right now. I feel like the world is telling me that I should not be streaming right now. So that's unfortunate, but yeah, I'm debating if I want to end this or not. Okay, I think we're gonna program a little bit more. Okay, so let's see. Text format. I don't know if this allocates or not. I don't know if I need to delete or not. Display. In that case, I think I'm going to just do health integer. Oh, we're just gonna do it all in one, and then, well, sure, we'll display attack, defense. Oh, and then I need a new line. No, because we're drawing. So player dot health dot attack player dot defense marker, then player display, and then draw text, and I guess 5 pixels in. And then screen height minus, I don't know, 250. And then white. Oh no, we need size. Like 50, because that's the only thing we have on the screen. No, let me do from here to there, yank. Just need to change enemy, which I guess we can just no, they need to be with minus like 250, I guess. Oh, that's probably gonna be a lot bigger, I think. 400, and then we'll just be 5 from the top, I guess. It's gonna be 50, and then white. All right, let's see, fog. Oh. Okay. I mean, maybe we can get width. Or was that? with a 50. Did I spell that wrong? Oh. I guess I can subtract another little bit off of it. Just that 5. Yeah, look at that. That's a weird comma. I like how the commas are just like 2 pixels. I bet that's the font though. That is a weird F. This font is odd. Okay. Yeah, I know I haven't really done anything on this stream, but I am just kind of not feeling it. I'm kind of distracted right now. Just with IRL things and then also the computer crashing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I know I've only streamed for like an hour, which is a little less than what I normally do, but yeah, all right, well, tomorrow, I guess, hopefully I will figure out what is wrong with the computer and why it is crashing randomly, and then tomorrow I will hopefully be more focused and we can actually do some RPG mechanics, because this is nice. Whoops, I didn't mean to move you. This is nice, but yeah, I would like to actually get the turn-based stuff implemented where it's one person's turn to take like an action, and then it's another person's time to take an action. And honestly, the RPG or the enemy is probably just always going to attack, and I guess the player can like attack and defend for now. And yeah, we'll start using stats as soon as we attack and all that stuff. Yeah, sorry everyone, I'm just kind of not feeling it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. Well, thanks for watching. I know the stream kind of wasn't all that I hoped it would be. Hope that I could have represented the Linux community a little better instead of crashing exactly like my Windows computer is, which now gets me kind of thinking if there's something wrong with my hardware and not my software. But anyway, I'm gonna go talk to my beautiful significant other, and then also try to figure out why I crashed. So see you tomorrow. We'll actually do some RPG mechanics tomorrow, I promise. So yeah, see you next time.